Hey, to open equalizer settings of your SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 wireless headphones, first of all, you will have to open a Sonar application on your PC, then go for the engine on the left side. Now go for the gear and select your Arctis Nova 5. Then, just remember to switch between 2.4 mode or the Bluetooth, because for each one you've got a different equalizer. In my case, I'm using 2.4 mode. And right here you can find the presets of the equalizer. So if I want to set, for example, for X defiant, I have to click here. And as you can see now, it's actually changing. But also I can try to move it manually by moving these dots with the left mouse button. So you can set it up to your own preferences, and when you click here, you can create the new, rename, duplicate, or for example delete this specific equalizer preset. If you want to save it, you will have to click on the right bottom corner save button. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.